Jopith gwen e kaunti ma SIAYA oyudo fungruok kaluwore kod puonj magiyudo ewi pith ma kamano kanyakla kod thuolo mar uso mag gwen magipidho. Jopithgo malo 4,500 oket kanyakla kod riwruok mar Hope International kokalo e chenro midendo ni Hatch for Hope e gweng' ma Murmalanga mayudore South East Alego. E nyasi mar chiwo kuonde ohala mag gwen, jata chenro mar weche mag dongruok e sekta mar pur Kenneth Owuor osingo mar jiwo jopiny gi jouso mondo mi oti maber gi thuolono ma omigi mondo giyud ber, ka omedo ni chenro no inyalo ter bende e gwenge mamoko.
Kuku inalipa, kuku inaelimisha, kuku inafanya iko na opportunity nyingi sana, na tumeshikana na serikali kufanya kazi na wao kuwaelimisha wakulima kwa zile mbinu bora wakilea hizo kuku zao, but pia kuwapatia ile fursa ya kuwa na ile connection to the market.
Program yenyewe inaitwa KELCOP, the Kenya Livestock Commercialization Program, ambayo inakuja na itakuwa na value chain ya kuku pia, na itafanya na wamama na youths sana sana. Wazee pia watakuwa ndani, lakini sana sana itakuwa wamama na youths. So nasema ya kuwa upendo imeanza vizuri. South East mko mahali pazuri, na kile tutafanya ni kujitokeza, kwa sababu yule ambaye anatokea ndio tutafanya nini kazi naye, si ndio? Lakini yule amekataa kufanya, hakuna vile tutafanya pamoja na yeye.
In SIAYA we are working with about 4,500 value chain actors across the county, and that means that every household today embraces this value chain, because it is very easy in terms of its availability, and the different breeds that are there has made it to be embraced more.
So we have supported them, to in building this poultry aggregation center, and it's not the only one, because we also have the satellite centers. So this is the main one.
We also do bird aggregation. We have satellites at 3 places. That is one at Uranga, one at Boro, and one at